Dear friends of electronic keyboard instruments and electronics, welcome to another one of our restoration videos. Our customer asked us to repair his vintage electronic organ, the Hohner Symphonie D88 from 1983, which was imported into Czechoslovakia from West Germany in 1984 for its original owner, who has since passed away. This beautiful instrument, featuring two 44-key manuals and a one-octave pedalboard, already uses digital sound generation. Unlike older analog organs from the 1960s and 1970s, this model employs digital synthesis to emulate the sounds of pipe organs, pianos, wind instruments, and strings. It also includes an accompaniment unit with simple automatic backing patterns in 12 different styles. The main faults of the instrument were non-functioning slider potentiometers. This type of potentiometer has not been manufactured for many years, and simple cleaning did not help. So we had no choice but to improvise and replace them with modern equivalents. To avoid major modifications to the circuit board, we decided to reuse the base PCBs of the original potentiometers and solder modern slider potentiometers onto them, with adjusted pin spacing and washers. Fortunately, we were able to match the height of the upgraded potentiometers to the originals. We also disassembled all oxidized rocker switches and cleaned their contacts. In addition, we fixed a noisy key, repaired a damaged corner, reattached a peeling veneer strip, and carried out a thorough cleaning of the entire instrument. Here are a few more photos of the instrument taken during disassembly. Now, let's put this beast to the test. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.